Hey everyone! Welcome back to FireTV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Xuper TV NF on your FireStick using the latest working downloader code with the new FireStick interface. If you've been looking for another app to explore on your FireStick, this guide will take you through the installation from start to finish. I'll show you exactly where to find Downloader, how to enable the required permission, where to enter the Xuper TV NF code, and how to complete the installation without missing any important steps. I'll also give you a closer look at the app's interface and some of its features toward the end. And as always, I'll explain why I won't be opening the app fully during the video because of YouTube policy guidelines. So let's jump in and get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say Downloader and the app will appear. Once Downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange Downloader icon and press the Download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After Downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My FireTV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. Press the back button, open developer options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer FireTV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the Downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the Downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install Xuper TV NF, let me quickly tell you why you might want to check out this app. Xuper TV NF is designed with a straightforward interface that makes it easy to move through its available sections. The layout is made for a larger TV screen, so you can use your FireStick remote to browse through the app comfortably. The simple navigation also makes it easier to explore the available content and find the different sections without having to deal with a complicated interface. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the Xuper TV NF downloader code exactly as shown, 1840495. After entering the code, click Go. The Xuper TV NF download page will now load on your FireStick. Once the page opens, scroll down and select Xuper TV. The Xuper TV APK will now begin downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your FireStick a few moments while Xuper TV NF installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, feel free to use the link below. Now let's take a closer look at Xuper TV NF. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find Xuper TV NF there. Now, before we continue, I want to quickly explain something important about this part of the video. I won't be opening and navigating through the app fully because of YouTube policy guidelines. When making tutorials involving third-party applications, I want to keep the content focused on the installation process and avoid displaying or demonstrating content that could potentially create issues for the channel. That's why you'll notice that I stopped short of fully opening the app and showing how the content inside the application works. This doesn't mean you can't explore the application yourself after installing it. Once the installation is complete, you can open it from your FireStick apps and review the interface and available options for yourself. For this tutorial, I'm simply showing you how to get the application installed correctly and where you can find it afterward. Xuper TV NF has a TV-friendly interface designed to make navigation straightforward. The layout is built around remote control navigation, so moving through the available sections should feel familiar if you regularly use apps on your FireStick. The interface also keeps the different areas organized so you can browse through the available options without having to deal with an overly complicated menu. Another thing worth mentioning is that the experience can vary depending on the device, internet connection, app version, and the content or services available through the application. So if the interface looks slightly different on your FireStick compared with what you see in another tutorial, don't worry. Updates can change the appearance, menu placement, and available options over time. The important thing is that the application has been installed correctly and is now available through your FireStick apps. And that's it. You've successfully installed Xuper TV NF on your FireStick using the latest downloader code and the new FireStick interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to FireTV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.